I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job because of DoorLoop. It freed up my time to focus on my business. I'm Chris Lumbu with Lumbu Managements, LLC. We're located in Graham, North Carolina, and we manage apartment buildings, apartments, and single-family homes. We specialize in purchasing and holding what we purchase. And we do a lot of renovations. We renovate about 3 to 4 homes per month. We've also started intaking new properties that we manage for other people as well. When I joined DoorLoop, we started off with about 55, 56 units, and we're currently way over 100 units as of today. Before I switched to DoorLoop, everything was very manual. I had 5, 6 softwares I was using. I used to use a separate website just to list my properties. I used to use a separate accounting system to handle my accounting. I used to use a separate software just to collect rent. So DoorLoop is it pretty much, it's all in one, and they're always improving. They're constantly reaching out to myself and my team members and seeing how DoorLoop can improve, and I really love that. DoorLoop sales team, they were awesome. They were very welcoming. They took the time to understand. They understood what I was trying to accomplish, where I was in business, and they came up with a good plan for me to grow. My favorite DoorLoop feature is actually the website. We can post properties for rent. It's top notch. You post it on DoorLoop and it goes to almost like 20, 30 different websites as far as for rent. A lot of people can contact you directly through DoorLoop. The websites are they're very crisp and they're unique. I love that feature a lot. DoorLoop saves me approximately 20, 25 hours per week, in which I use to go acquire more properties. I do feel it does have everything all in one, and it makes things very easy as far as my team members. They're all on the same accord as far as what's happening with the business. I recommend DoorLoop to all my students. I have over 35 students, and I'm pretty sure some of them already do have DoorLoop. Even some investors. I'm on the Bird group on Facebook. I think it's like over 500,000 people, and I mention DoorLoop all the time. I rarely mention companies because I don't want them to make me look bad. I mention DoorLoop quite a bit.